Alright, so good guys, what's good? Welcome back again to this channel. Today we're actually going to be treating a very important topic that has to do with, in alliance with market analysis, we're trying to also um look out for the best, trade in which we could take on this particular currency pair. Remember, this is XAU USD, and then as you can see, I went to my 1 minute 1 hour time frame, and I was able to mark out my zone, my supply zone, and my demand zone. As you can see, we have the manipulation um period. First of all, so we have the accumulation, manipulation, and the distribution. And then as you can see right here, price was actually moving on this particular lower highs, you know and then lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. And then from there, I was able to spot out this particular break of structure. Okay, I'm actually looking at this break of structure. So if price happens to hit or break through this structure, then we are heading for a buy, because already our bias is bullish, so we are heading for a buy. But if not, then we'll be looking at of course making use of some confluences to know if we are going to be heading downwards in this particular trade. And this is actually as a AU you know USD. So pretty much I have my fair value gap right here, and then I'm just waiting for price to come through. This is my area of concentration. As you can see, this is my area of interest, and as you can see, price happen to break through my fair value gap. Of course, we're waiting for price to, if it keeps pulling downward, then there's a little point of interest here that I'm also looking at. If it respects there, then I'll know my next move. But if it doesn't, then I'll know what to do from here. Remember, we are bullish, and as you can see, price has actually printed that a morning star for us candlestick pattern. And as you can see, we're going to be we're supposed to get into this trade here, but as you can see, I didn't really increase my stop loss. So in this particular one, we were knocked out. But then remember, we're still bullish, so we're not in any way intimidated by the market. It's just that I needed to have extended my stop loss, um a greater degree in a way that it could accommodate much. Now was still not was still we still understand our bias, so we just keep watching what is going to play out from here. And as you can see, price is just consolidating, and as price is actually moving, we are still doing much and lots of analysis right here, as you can still see. So we are not playing around our emotions. Instead, we are playing around analysis. So as you can see through this particular one, you see that price actually broke through a trend line, and then on that particular zone that I choose, as you can see there, and then price left through that zone. So this was where we took our trade again, and as you can see, we recovered for the losses that was encountered initially, because remember, we already understand our bias for the day, and as you can see, TP is already fully hit. So I'm actually extending it to the next TP2, but our TP1 has been hit. So we have actually recovered and recovered even much more better from this particular one. So this is how we just keep holding and holding, and then watch what price is actually doing. This is actually the live trade that I'm taking. If you're tuning in for the first time, do it to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever it is we bring new videos your way. Don't forget to be part of our Discord group if you want help as regarding your entire trading experience. This very video that is here is going to help you. Do what to watch it. I'll see you in this video.